So in this video, I will show you how to change the theme. So in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store Themes and explore free themes. So we will just look at the free themes at this stage. Okay, it opens in new tabs and you see a few of the free Shopify themes here. So you can choose whichever you want and simply click on it to add it to your Shopify store. I really like narrative theme and I will add it for the purpose of this course. Here you can see different color options for this theme. So it's either warm, light, cold, or earthy. And you can pick now or you can change it later. Simply click Add Theme to Library. As you can see, the narrative theme is being added. Once it's added, you will see the confirmation message here. And now if you want to customize it, simply click Customize Theme.